Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're playing Philippine Navy. Tapos it's our second game. Now the first game, we lost against the brothers. No, si Fred at saka si Andrew. Tapos kakampi ko ngayon si Doy. So we're playing again 2v2 scramble. Tapos the format is straight up match play kami. Ang aking kakampi si Doy. Tapos ang aming kalaban ba tawag doon? Kalaban. Magkalaban ng Cortez Brothers. Tapos father and son tandem. Okay, let's see. Mr. Raimundo starting us off. Okay. Ganda! So may before the bunker sa kanan. Good shot, brother.
Wow, good shot.
The younger Cortez. Ay, kaliwa lang. Okay. So we have decided, friendly wager lang. 250 pesos lang per player. So it's per team 250. So ayun na si Bray. Good luck, Bray.
Watch out.
Magkalaban tayo ngayon. Pati si Jong. Ay, sorry.
Nice shot.
Titira na pala. Yes. Nice shot.
Okay. Dito na kailangan pumalo.
Huwag na, magkantay.
Dito na safe na yun eh.
Laying up. Ganda rin pareho. 4! Bigla may caddy. 4! Okay, we are taking my tee shot. We're left with mga 260 yards. So, our strategy, Doy will play safe tapos ako will go for it. Okay, safe. Good shot, brother. Nice shot.
Maliwalang, ganda.
We're left with taking Doy's tee shot, a second shot. Left with 135. Hitting a pitching wedge. Safe mo lang. Oy, sama na sipa. Pumunta sa kanan yung kay Doy.
Baba na. Kick right.
And before the bunker. Fred and Andrew around 100 yards na lang yata to, or inside 100. Oh, just went over the green. Ilang yards pa yung kayo, Fred?
70.
70 yards.
Ayun.
Yun lang, okay.
Pwede.
Good shot, brother. Okay, taking my third shot. They're almost inside for birdie na. Pareho pa silang dikit. Ganda yan, Doy. Maganda yan, Doy. Maganda yan, partner! Nice shot, brother. Okay, we're in for par. Okay, the Cortez brothers to go one up. Okay, to go one up. One up, kuha nila birdie. Nice shot. Okay, one up. Okay. Hole number 2. We are currently one down. Tapos may plus seed. Andrew and si Fred here in this hole kasi handicap 1. And the other hole na meron silang plus is hole number 9. So this is playing 447 yards.
Nice shot. Okay na yan.
Yari tayo. Yari tayo, brother. Gusto niya Gcash ko na kaya sa inyo? Yun, okay. Okay, good shot. Gitna, ang gitna.
Wow! What a shot! Grabe. On a rope. What a shot.
Hey, Drew. Cortez Brothers taking. Ito na naman tayo. Ang ganda ng mga patama eh. Dispersion lang talaga. Wow, magkaalis dyan. Okay, good. Buti na lang. Okay, we are left with 145 yards to the flag. We are taking my tee shot. Ako, I'm hitting a pitching wedge. Parang slightly downwind. Ay, kanan lang. Okay lang, brother. Okay lang. Kanan lang si Doy. GUR.
Bigil lang siya.
Dapat 9.
Maybe pala talaga dapat, no?
Andrew and Fred just outside of the green. Tumira na si Fred, sayang. Short. So they get a plus here sa hole na to. Landed super short. Yun, short din. Okay. Left with 23 yards to the flag. Left to right yan, di ba?
Oh, left to right yan.
Left to right.
Ganda.
Ganda yan. Hindi talbog. Uy. Hindi talbog ah.
Shit.
Okay, Cortez brothers just outside of the green for their par to make birdie. Par to make birdie. That's good. In na sila for par. Pantabla lang to. Kung pag na-shoot ni Drew, panalo sila 2 up. Wag mo na i-shoot. Okay. They're in for bogey. We need to make this to half the hole. Hole number 3. We are still currently 1 down. It's playing 181 yards. Okay, straight up na kami until hole number 9. Pero mura lang naman po.
You know.
Kick right. Please. Yan, okay, go. Ay, sumabit pa, umabot pa.
Ayan, ay, ang ganda niya. Wow. Aning second hole in one mo. Nice. Grabe.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Yes.
Naku, 4. Ah, hindi pala built. I was built for this. Wow! Clutch! Clutch pala si Kuya. Nice shot. Nice shot, brother. What's that? Nice shot. Right, both teams putting for birdie. They are taking clutch yung tira ni Andrew. Landed on the green. Tapos kami rin putting for birdie. 6 spaces. Right to left tayo, no?
Double break. Oh,
6 spaces. Hindi ka na iisang malungkot. Ay, short. Okay.
Wag mo nang i-shoot! Wag!
Okay. Good putt. That's good, brother.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Snake, brother.
To go all square.
Uy!
Malakas ko ng konti. Kuha. Ay, kulang lang. Oh. Kulang lang. Good try, partner. Ayun. Dodong kasi.
Sabi ko sa'yo, kaliwa.
Nice shot. Nang li. Meow. Hole number 4, playing 324 yards. The Cortez brothers are still 1 up. Yun! Beauty! 4 lang, Bray! 4!
Nice shot. Oo nga. Over club na naman. Ay, ang ganda ng pwesto. Nice shot.
Ganda. Nice shot. Gitnang-gitna. Yun! Maganda rin yan, brother. Magkakatalo na lang sa wedge game. Ang ganda. Cortez brothers left with 70. Kami rin 70 yards. Hitting We are taking my tee shot. Left with 70 yards. Pero mga tirang 55 to 60 lang to. Downhill. Aim is that banner sa right. Naku, nakabig. Okay lang, okay lang. Hindi, talagang kakaliwa yan.
Ay, naku!
Hindi ko iniisip na in play yun. Parang mas maganda pa yata yung sa'yo eh. Mas malapit. Mas may green to work with tayo. Walang babagsakan dito sa akin. Oh, kay Doy. Ganda naman! Wala talaga oh. Hirap ng placement. We are taking Doy's second shot. Sumabit yun sa akin. 12 yards to the flag. Tirang 7 yards. Go! 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 Sayang. Okay lang.
Ay, ganun din!
Mr. Cortez, both Cortez brothers. 2 chances for birdie. Mahina. Mahina.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Naku, sobra naman. Gave it a chance. Okay, may chance tayo.
Nice shot.
Diretso lang ako, sir.
Gitnang gitna na.
Oo, diretso lang. Yes, sir.
O, diretso ko na lang. Doy,
Oo, sige. Yun! Ay, naku! Kakaliwa talaga doon.
Lamang kanan, sir.
Guy! Nauna celebration. Ay! Padala 56 at saka 50. Sayang. Bumali sa dulo. Ganun din yung akin eh. Bumali rin sa dulo eh. Okay. This spot to go to up. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay, 1 up pa rin. Mabait, mabait. Okay, hole number 5. We are still 1 down.
Wow.
Ganda. Ganda. Kanan lang. Okay, at least spotting birdie. Nice shot, partner. Playing 120 yards. Hitting. Ganda. Kaliwa lang din. Okay. Magbihan lang ng konti.
Wow. Nice shot, sir. Drew. Wow. Uliwan mo na.
Uy!
Bang!
Masapin!
Walang pumalakpak, sir eh.
Walang tao eh.
Tumama. Sabi ko, ganda ng linya.
Talagang.
Oo nga eh.
Malog yung pin eh.
Tingnan natin, sana dikit. Wala, ay nandun. Hindi naman pumapalakpak si Dodong. Okay. Sayang. Very unfortunate. Bumalik yung bola ko dun. Tumama sa pin. Ang laki ng binalik. Sayang. Okay. We are putting. Both teams putting for birdie. We are putting for birdie. 12 paces. Right to left. Parang naalala ko hindi ganun kalaki to eh.
Oo, hindi malaki to.
Hindi malaki to eh. Oh. Bigyan ko isang grip. Gusto mo daw? Doy?
Kanan?
Oo. No? Isang grip. Pero ang putting.
Pwede.
Basta isang grip bibigay ko ha.
Sige.
Ikaw na lang mag-adjust.
Mahina.
Tumalon-talon lang.
Uy, mabilis doon sa dulo ah.
Pasok na. Pasok. Ala. Mahali na. Pala pasok na eh.
Okay, again to win the hole for birdie, Cortez brothers. Wala, kulang.
Sa akin, di na-break.
Okay, hole number 6. We are still currently 1 down. Playing 343 yards. Dog leg left.
0-0.
I will try to play smart course management with the 4 iron. Kaliwa mo lang. Parang pumasok.
Ganda yan.
Yun.
Grabe.
Yes.
What a shot.
What a shot.
What a shot.
Wow.
Uy, kanan.
Alright.
Ganda. What pressure. Good shot, brother. Nice shot. Baka hindi naman. Baka hindi naman. Okay, taking my tee shot. Left with 86 yards to the flag. Ganda, brother. Kanan lang. Okay, at least putting. Oh, talbog talaga. Tira mga 75 lang.
Kanin na lang yun. Okay lang yan.
Pareho. Sorry, brother. Okay lang.
Wow! Wow! Nice shot! Magtuturo, at least magtuturo sa amin. Maganda yan. Patong yan. Oh, nice shot. Galing ah. Oh, clutch. Clutch, oo nga. Medyo basa eh.
Sa atin, ano yung malambot.
Oo. Sobrang lambot nung atin nun. Both teams putting for birdie. Yung linyang puti. So regular lang na 12.
Hindi, tigdigan mo na isa, sir. Doon pa sa dulo yung pababa niyan. Yan dyan.
May linyang puti.
Yes, sir.
Parang ang lakas.
Lakas talaga.
Ang lakas. Ganun ka, hindi
Hindi
mabagal.
ganun kabagal.
Hindi mabagal.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Gano'ng, alin ang linya mo, brother?
Puti yung sa amin, sir eh.
Meron lakas eh, hindi bumali. Ito dapat. Ito yung linya ng puti.
Parang malaki, no?
Bawasan mo lang, sir. Isang grip ka lang.
Parang pwede mo bigyan mo lang yung pat ko. Kaya hindi natin nakita yung balo. Ano, tama yung linya. Kulang. Oo. Okay, that's good. Oh no. Good putt, Fred. Si Fred ang nagbubuhat ah. Tumatalon eh. Tumalon eh. Okay, that's good. Half pa rin. Okay, hole number 7, 327 yards. Dog leg right. So kung safe si Doy, I will try to slice the golf ball.
Wow. Ganda naman yan.
Tawid mo na. Clear mo. Clear mo. Clear ba? Clear?
Itawid mo.
Kaya yatang tumawid nun.
Itawid mo.
Parang sakto nga lang eh.
Four! Naku, kanan din. Lusot mo. Lusot.
Wag.
Para walang tumunog. Aray! Ay! Okay. Inutusan ni Kuya na mag-lay up. No, tama ba?
Oo eh.
To play safe. Tapos si Kuya will go for it.
Parang may lumbi.
Okay. And for taking Andrew's tee shot. Oh, ganda ng lusot. May asawa ka nga, magaling magpalusot.
Pwede na yan.
Okay. 8 yards left for Andrew and Fred. Punch fade. Lusot eh. Sumabit ng konti.
Sayang. Nice.
Taking my tee shot, napa-slice ko yung bola. We are left with 60 yards to the flag. So tirang 50. Ano to? Kaliwa to, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, left to right.
Agit.
Kaliwa lang. Nakakabig.
Ganda yan. Pag tumakbo.
Okay. Kaagat talaga.
The playing thing.
Laying 3. Okay, Fred and Andrew. Up and down for par. Oh, kaliwa pa nga. Lakas lang. Sakto lang pala. Good shot, partner. Ay, di pala tayo partners ngayon. Good shot, friend. Tinaboy si Doy. We have this spot for birdie to go all square na for the match to win the hole. Ano bigay nyo? Kaliwa. Kita naman. Baka parang ganyan nga sa marker na yan, sa dumi na yun. No? Dagdagan ko yun? Hindi, yung sakto nga yun.
Ulang. Pasok doon sa ano eh. Papasok doon sa... Hindi, pasok brother doon sa...
Doon sa may guhit.
Oh.
Okay, huli.
Ang laki naman. Malakas lang ng konti. Okay lang. Good putt. Fred and Andrew to half the hole for their par. Nakakuha! Okay. Clutch putt. Nice putt. Okay. One up pa rin. One up, one up. Good putt, good putt. Hey, what a clutch putt by Fred. We are still one down. Hole number 8 is playing 100. Front pin kasi, so playing 144 yards to the flag. Might hit a 9 iron or a pitching wedge. Kabig lang. Tumama. Ayun, bumalik fairway. Katabi ng ano, tabi ng bunker.
Nice shot, sir. Nice shot.
Hole-in-one mo.
Sobrang duro lang.
Wow. Ganda yun, maganda yun.
Good shot, sir.
Nice, partner.
Good choice.
Kaliwa. Kaliwa lang din. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Or i-bunker mo na. Nice shot. Fred and Andrew just outside of the green to the left, taking Andrew's tee shot around 20 yards, 25 yards to the flag. Maganda yan.
Sobrang ganda.
Ganda, wag mo naman i-shoot. Wag mo i-shoot.
Pinuri na nga, ipasok pa.
Ay, nako. Okay, mas make tayo para mag one up. Wag mo i-shoot, Drew, ha?
Para mag ano.
Wala talaga dapat plus, eh. Saktong sakto.
Ay, malakas.
Okay. Must make. We have this birdie putt to half, ano pala, to go to win the hole para all square na kami. So labas lang ng konti. Okay, 4 paces. Pero putting ball. Nagsimula lang ng konti sa kanan eh.
Sakto rin alam.
A very unfortunate par. Hindi ko pa nakuha yun. Okay, we are still one down. Hole number 9, they get a pop here. 511 yards. Ang ganda ng tira ni Fred eh. Dikit. Yan tuloy na bati. Okay lang.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Ganda.
Nice.
Gandang lalaki. Ang ganda ng sipa, gumit na palalo. Saan? Kanan?
Nice.
Bumalik ba? Hindi ko nakita.
Lumabas yung ano.
Safe yun sa'yo, brother.
Nasa kanan ng konti, labas sa bunker. Pero
Bumabante pa yun. Bumabante pa yun dyan.
Bumabante pa.
Ha?
Dito pa naman may handicap. Kick right. Kick right.
Ah, okay lang ito, sir. Handicap nga pala kami dito.
Oo.
May jabong.
Di bale.
Bahala na pala. Sa 3 wood.
3 wood na fade ulit.
Kaya natin kung mag... Actually,
Nice shot, nice shot.
Oo, pinapade ko nga. Ataw.
Gary Big. Hataw na.
Mr. Pure Energy ah. Ganda yan. Ganda parang si Maria.
Wow.
Abot sa barangay.
Hindi abot sir. Hindi abot yun.
At least na pa. Okay, Mr. Cortez Brothers. 190 yards. Ah, short lang. Medyo nakast lang ng konti. Okay. Ganun lang dapat, Fred. Keep it up. Nice shot. Kala ko ba malakasok sa'yo? What a friend. Masama yung intentions. Nice shot. Taking Doy's tee shot kasi pumunta sa bunker yung akin. We are left with 95 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Kick right. Kick right yan. Ay, sobra. Lumabas ng konti.
Edge line.
Tutok na. Ay, kanan. Hinangin.
Good distance sana sir.
Okay, they are putting for birdie. Birdie to make eagle sila. Malakas na bomba.
Wag Lord, please.
Malakas magdasal, talaga hindi nga binigay. Mahina. Okay, for birdie, this is to force them to make their putt and half the hole. Ganda ng linya mo, brother. Oh! Pace lang talaga. Pero maganda yung linya, tama.
Tama yun.
Pitik na pitik.
Ang lalakas ng putt ko. Ikaw, mauna na lang ako. Cortez pa Brothers. This is to go to up birdie to par net birdie. Good putt. Okay, two up. Alright, so start of the back 9. We are currently 2 down. Sakto, yun yung plus nila. So, start of the back 9. Straight up na kami, no more plus. So, playing now hole number 10, which is playing 140 yards to the flag. Pero it's slightly against the wind. So, hitting a 9 iron. Ganda! Sabi sa'yo, diesel yan eh. Hole in one mo na. 80,000 mo na. Short lang ng konti. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Short lang. Biglang nag-gust yung hangin eh. Banker. Ganda, Drew.
Wow.
Naku, ganda rin yan.
One.
Clutch talaga. Both teams putting for birdie. We are taking Doy's tee shot. This is Andrew's tee shot naman for Team Cortez. Buka. Naka-open ng konti. That's good. Nice spot, Drew. Kitang-kita ni Kuya yung linya eh. Okay, to half the hole. To half pa tayo dito. Right edge bibigay ko.
Yes sir. Mabilis yan ah. Bababa. Hello.
Kuha. Hindi bumali. Nag right to left din. Nag left to right din, no? Okay, so hole number 11, 295 yards.
Ito na yung pag-asa natin yan.
Oo, meron tayong Mercy Mulligan. 3 down na tayo.
Kukunin natin
Kaso
yan.
yung Delix. Ay, hindi. Sakto.
Pwede na yan. Huwag kumaban.
Okay. Right beside the bunker. Delix. Nice shot. Delix. Okay, play safe lang. Hindi pwede. Ang sa idol.
Idol.
6 iron na lang, Christian.
Nice shot.
Yan, okay na.
Dali naman oy.
Wow.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Easy.
Taking my drive. We're left with 120 yards to the flag, pero it's against the wind. So I'm either hitting a pitching wedge or a 50-degree wedge.
Nice shot.
Ano kaya? 50 or pitching?
Sorry brother, behind.
Oo. Okay lang, brother. Sige, 50 na lang.
Ito, bersado. Uber pa nga oh.
Cortez Brothers. Left with 100 yards. Taking Fred's tee shot.
No.
Check right.
Kick left! Kick left! Kick left! Tumigil tuloy. Nalito.
Hindi na niya alam gagawin.
Okay, we're in for par because of Doy's tee shot. Ay, third shot. So, yan yung sa may divot. 32 yards to the flag. I'll try to nip a 60-degree wedge.
Ganda rin.
Ganda man ang nagkikang bola mo sa Luigi.
Nice shot brother. Saan?
Ay, oo nga, second shot. Nakalimutan. Oo nga pala. Nakalimutan ko rin na may mulligan. Okay, we are in for par. Sana naman, hindi naman nila ma-shoot to. Okay, mabait sila. Binigay na yung sa amin ni Doy. Okay, so they still have this birdie putt to win the hole. To go 4 up. Hina, sobra. Feeling ko ganun lang din, Drew. Sakto lang. Oh. Ilaylay mo pa ng konti lang. Oh, kaya nga sabi ko laylay pa ng konti ni Drew. Mahina din. Ay, sakto pala. Okay, we might have a chance. Okay, they have this par putt to half the hole to keep a 3 up lead. Ay! Hindi lang na firm.
Oo nga eh.
Nice putt. Okay, 3 up pa rin. Ay. We are still 3 down. Hole 12, playing 160 yards pero downwind. We still have a Mercy Mulligan.
Uy!
Mercy stroke.
Uy, nag-bounce
Yun!
na.
Oop, bunker.
Hindi naman hindi nag-drop. Alak ka ng pete.
Shout out ulit sa aking idol, Coach Tata, James Reed. James Reed ng Navy.
Nice shot. Yan ang hole.
Wala na, 4 down.
Boss, order na ako ng manok.
Ay, sama ng sipa. Ayaw ng manok, gusto crispy pata.
Patang gusto.
Nice shot, ganda na dito, ganda na patama.
Oh. Maraming bounce.
Ganda na sipa.
Maganda pa yun. Nice!
Delikado na naman tayo, Doy. Okay, so we are taking Doy's tee shot. Unfortunately, parehas kaming nagpunta sa bunker. It is right to left ba yan, Dong? Left to right?
Right to left.
Right to left, ano?
Lamang
Ang bugbog. Okay lang. Good out.
Ganda yan, sir. Sipa.
Huwag mo turuan. Okay, Cortez Brothers to win the hole again, to go up 4 up na for their birdie. Kami patting for par. Kabig. Layo mo pa, sige pa, para hindi give.
Nice shot.
Nahina naman.
Nice shot. Malaki pa. Parang kabig.
Kabig talaga, sir. Huli. Huli ka na, bata!
Good putt, partner. Sayang. Okay, good putt. Okay, 4 up.
Pag hindi pa maperde yan.
Okay, hole number 13. We are now 4 down. Hindi na kami dapat matalo kasi 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 holes. Kung makuha pa ng dalawang all square, wala na, dormy na. Nailang. Nailang sa camera placement eh. Meron pa kaming camera dyan sa lakas loob. Naku, muntik yun. Pininahan yung camera. Kabig. Okay lang, brother. Favor.
Wow. Uy. Safe yata, safe.
Okay. Taking my tee shot. Doy is laying up. Ganda. Oo nga, sasabit nga yung 9 mo ah. Okay, good shot, brother.
Sabi talaga ako doon. Kaya
Okay, I am hitting a hybrid tayo. Go for it.
Boy, left!
Di ba yung dash mo?
Parang kailangan natin umuli ah. We are taking my second shot. 32 yards to the flag. Left to right.
oh, malaki yun.
Oh, yung nakikita mo yung dahon? Nakikita mo yung, di ba, pin, tapos dahon sa gitna, tapos puno.
Oo.
Feeling ko dun na sa may dahon.
Yun.
Ah, hindi nga, kulang pa nga yung puno ko. Alam ko malaking left to right to eh. Okay lang, brother.
Yan.
Shot.
Nice one. Nice one. Ay, nag-bite.
Hindi, pinabite ko kasi talaga din. Cortez Brothers for Eagle to win the hole, to go 5 up. Pag nakuha nila to, isa na lang, dormy na. 13 14, 15, 16. Ay hindi, dormy na pag nakuha nila to. Pag nakuha nyo pala to, panalo na kayo. Dormy na. Win or ano na lang, Gcash. Birdie na sila. To win the hole, para dormy na. Binigyan ng chance! Paso! Muntik na kami! Good putt, brother.
Ganda, brother. Nice one. Yun. Yun! Ay, naku!
Ayaw talaga, sir. Di talaga para sa atin.
Parang pwede yung
Alin, bigay mo.
yung sa loob lang na itong itim na to. To avoid getting dormied. Aga kami madodormy if ever. Lakas naman, sobrang nabomba. Good match. Nice one. Okay, dormy na. Talo tabla na lang kami. Oh, subok-subok lang. 5 down. 5 down, 5 down. Subok habol.
Eagle yun.
Oo.
Ay, sayang.
Para at least hindi masyadong masakit yung talo. Okay. Hole 14, playing 510 yards. We are dormied. Pero subukan namin. Subukan na namin to tie. Hindi ko nakita.
Taas lang.
Ngayon din, Skyline. Pero okay lang, fairway yan. 3-shot hole yan.
Wow. Right lang, right.
Ganda, Doy. Ay, kumanan sa dulo. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Oo. Wag lang ma-stymie.
Parang baril sir. Uy, wag ka nang dyan. Kumaliwa. Patay tayo dyan. Alanganin yung sipa nun.
Baka pumasok sa puno.
Oo, tasagad.
Grabe tong dalaman to. Paano namin tatalunin? They came from there. Patong pa rin. Grabe yun, oh. Nga sa puno yun, patong. Okay. Kami 94. Hindi naman, nasa likod naman. Pero,
Sampid na higit.
oo. Grabe. May kabul pa rin. O, kami naman ni Doy. We're 94 yards to the pin. Pero slightly with the wind. Nakast. Kailangan.
Makakaliwa yung bola ko ngayon.
Grabe nung ispe yan. Teng, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rod.
Pag na shadow.
Okay.
Mawaliglag lang talaga ako.
Hindi umabot dun sa babali.
Malaki.
To go 1 under yan, ano?
Kaliwa, binigay mo, Jong.
Okay. Outright win the match. Huwag mo na i-shoot, 6 up yan eh. 6 up! 6 and 5. Good round. Good game, good game. 6 up, wala, murder! Minerder tayo. Nagsama kasi yung Jong at saka Brian eh. Okay, talo kami. Grabe. 14th hole pa lang, talo na kami. Siguro naman straight up na kaya sa susunod. Good round, good match. Dodong, ano masasabi mo sa laro natin? Meow, 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 meow. Drew. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Ganito pala yung feeling ni Luis.
Lagi ka naman ganyan eh.
Ganito pala
Good
yung
round,
feeling.
brother.
Nice game, brother.
Give the
Bye,
change.
vlog.
Wala eh, buburahin ko lang to eh. Regards kay Mitch.
Yes, sir.
Ingat, brother.
Good game. Thank you, bro.
Nice shot.